If you went back and said to your old self, now that you've done the research, Sophia, now that you've figured out like the best platforms because you've looked at it, you've asked people at Facebook groups, like what are a few things like you would say, hey, to make it easy on you, use this platform, do this. What would you say if someone was about to start a podcast, but they didn't really know what they were doing?
Yeah. So I use Zencaster for recording. And it's just because I love Zencaster. It makes my life easy. And
So at first you said you were going to use Zoom. When did you
Mhm.
switch to Zencaster?
So I switched maybe 2 years in. So I used Zoom for a while. And then the reason why I started using Zencaster is I saw someone else using it and they were talking about the different benefits. And I was like, well, might as well try it. They really love it. And then what I loved about it is when I would pull the video footage for Reels, it seemed like the video quality was higher for those Reels versus Zoom. So that's why I kind of leaned into it. I was like, okay, great. The videos look better. Awesome. And then I also use Audacity for editing. I use,
But let me interrupt you. You ended up offloading the editing, didn't you?
yeah,
You said there was a better use of your time and it
yeah, but at
took
the
a lot
beginning,
longer.
it took
If
me
you
3 years to like release, 3 years in a bit to release
so
editing.
what would you say to the listener though? Do you think it's better to edit your own or is it better to offload it?
At the beginning, I feel like you should at least know how to edit. And the reason why I say that is like, let's say the editor, you're going to go through trial and error with editors. You might have an editor that doesn't really edit up to your standard. Maybe you want all the ums removed, like me, and you get an edit back, and maybe you have three. And then you're like, okay, what do I do with these three ums if you can't get the editor to go and remove them? So I feel like it's just good so you know what to do in case that happens or in case the editor is not able to get it in time. Maybe you need to go edit one episode on your own. So I feel like it's helpful to know just in the back of your mind. I would say figure out if you can offload it. That'd be great. That's what I would suggest just because it takes so much time. And I feel like you can find editors that aren't too expensive on Fiverr that will make your life a lot easier. So I would do that. But I would definitely try to edit at least the first few just so I had a baseline idea of what I was doing.